Hello everyone, and I'm back. Since February is a month of love, I feel that it's a must to make a couple shirt. So here is an easy Valentine outfit to make for your Barbie. We'll start with Ken. I used the sweatshirt pattern I made from my previous Evoy video. Split the bottom of the sleeves. It should match the length of the cuffs. Fold the cuffs and stitch it to the bottom sleeves. Then we fold the sleeves and sew the sides together. Turn the sleeves inside out. And set it aside to work on the shirt. Pin both the sides and sew. After that, take your sleeves out and connect them to the shirt, with both its right sides facing each other. Cut 2 strips of fabric and sew its ends. Turn it over. And stitch them to the shirt. With the short strip to the neckline, and the longer strip to the bottom. Add Velcro at the back. And push it aside to make Barbie's shirt. For the sleeves, just repeat the steps we did earlier on Ken's. I wanted to make Barbie's shirt oversized, so I made the shirt's length longer. Connect the sleeves. And cut 2 strips of fabric again. one to sew for the neckline, and the other to the bottom. But pleat the bottom shirt first before you sew it together. After we made our oversized shirt, we proceed to adding prints. As you can see, I'm tracing a simple heart on the middle. I did the same on Ken's shirt. And now for the fun part. We can try to paint on it or embroider over it like what I'm doing here. Just make sure to repeat the same thing to the other shirt. Lastly, stitch the bottom half of Barbie's back shirt and add Velcro to the top half. And we're done. I made another one where instead of an oversized shirt, it's a crop top. Added a cute print and it's done. That is all for this video. Like and comment down below which couple shirt you like the best. Happy Valentine's Day and I will see you next time. Paalam!